Are you looking to speed up your browsing experience, save on data, or just want a cleaner, distraction-free web? I've got you covered. In today's quick video, I'll show how to hide or disable images on Google Chrome on your PC. So without wasting any time, let's start. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Then click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Next, click on Settings from here. Once in the settings, click on Privacy and Security from the left side menu. Now, click on Site Settings from here. After that, scroll down a little and come to the Content section. Here, if you don't see the Images option, click on Additional Content Settings, and then click on Images. Now, just click on Don't Allow Sites to show images. And that's about it. From now on, whenever you visit a site, you won't see any images. So that's how you disable or hide images in Google Chrome browser on your PC. If the video proved to be useful, smash that like button. Want more Chrome browser related tips and tricks? Just subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!